Nararapat muna na maisantabi ng mga senator judge ang kanilang personal at politikal na pananaw habang umuusad ang impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay University of the Philippines Associate Dean Attorney Paulo Tamase, ito ang nararapat gawin ng mga senador upang mapanatili ang tiwala ng publiko sa ginagawang paglilitis sa pangalawang Pangulo.
Important at this point for people to trust their Senate that they will do their job even if meron silang political or ideological differences, that they will do their job in this very important constitutional task of deciding whether to remove a high public officer. The confidence is not going to be built if they're undermining each other, not only privately but publicly.
Dagdag pa ni Atty. Tamase, maaari ring makaapekto sa public trust ang patuloy na bangayan sa impeachment trial.
I think there was an incident in the Estrada impeachment na Senator Miriam called out Senator Rocco for a question that seemed to undermine her. Once nang nangyari yun, but you're seeing it day to day na paulit-ulit na parang inaatake nila yung isa't isa tapos pasaring, hindi diretso. So nawawala ng confidence, baka mawala ng confidence yung public kung kaya ba i-set aside nung senators yung personal differences nila and their personal hurt against each other in order to decide this more important question of fitness ng public officer nila.
Paliwanag ng propesor, normal lang anya sa mga pagdinig ang paghahain ng technical objections bilang bahagi lamang ito ng tungkulin ng defense panel sa kanilang kliyente. Ngunit pangamba ng abogado, nagiging masyado ng technical kung marami ng objection dahil ito ang nagpapahirap upang maunawaan ng publiko ang takbo ng paglilitis.
The first is, I'm a little concerned na yung proseso na to has become judicialized. Ibig sabihin nun, parang panay tingin na tayo sa rules of court, panay na tayo tingin sa rules of evidence, and therefore yung types of objections that are also coming out are so technical and I think confusing to the general public. Now, the lawyers are able to understand it, but to the general public, confusing. Ano ba yung leading question? Ano ba yung hostile witness? Right? And I think it departs from yung intent behind impeachment, which is a process that can be understood by everyone.
Naniniwala rin si Atty. Tamase na habang tumatagal ang impeachment trial ay mas magiging maayos, mababawasan ang pagkakaroon ng technicality at mapanumbalik ang tiwala ng publiko sa Senado na siyang gumaganap na impeachment court.
So the hope is that matagal pa naman yung trial na ito, sana mas maging pro-disclosure, less technical yung dealing with these objections, but also sana mas improve yung civility in the Senate.
Benedict Samson, humahataw sa balita ngayon.